Good afternoon. This morning I did the duct cleaning. We got another call here. A customer called in saying that the system's making a weird noise whenever he kicks the furnace on. He thinks it's the bearings. It sounds like it's the bearings. I'm basically coming out to verify that it is, or just check out and see what's going on. So we're gonna head that way now. I should be there in 15-20 minutes. Now, if you guys been wondering where the video's at, what's going on, I've been doing a bunch of duct cleaning jobs. So I got that footage. We got some new equipment here, so I've been learning how to work that machine and do the process for that. That's been quite interesting, but I do have footage for that coming here pretty shortly. But that's kind of what I've been up to for the past week. All right, just pulled up. Let's go figure out what's going on. See if we can get this taken care of today, hopefully.
Xavier!
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how about yourself?
Pretty good.
Considering?
Oh yeah, can't complain.
Okay, good to meet you.
Good to meet you. We'll go ahead and just take a look at it. The office told me that it was just making a noise.
Yeah, well, I have a handyman that I'm trying to let listen to it.
Okay.
And he said he thought that the bearing might be going bad in the blower motor.
Gotcha. Let's
Well, so I turned it off. So I said I didn't know if it was doing. Let me turn it on for you.
Yeah, okay. Furnace is on. Carrier on.
First year, what happened is they just replaced the hot water heater. Just got replaced, right?
Right.
And so
Yeah, that's your
here,
draft inducer motor.
so
So the bearings are definitely shot on
they
that.
replaced the hot water heater. They did a little work on the vent. And so at first I thought, well, why is it sounding different? It might be the hot water heater venting or something.
Yeah. No, it's definitely gonna be this right here. You give it. It's just the bearing. So this is like your exhaust fan for the carbon monoxide. You have it on heat, right?
Right now, yes.
Yeah. So this is there's like stages, safety stages.
It'll finally quiet down a little bit.
Yeah. But you're gonna have to. I'll check this off and we'll take a better look at it. But you want to have to get that replaced eventually.
What replaced?
The exhaust fan.
Right.
I'll check this off and show you, but if not, eventually it'll just seize up.
That has nothing to do with the Goodman furnace? Or it does?
Oh yeah, it is. This is part of the furnace.
Okay, so, yeah, because it's under warranty still.
Yeah. So yeah, we just order that and get it swapped out for you.
That's what the noise is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just had this happen on another call.
It's like I said, it's only 5 years old, so it's really weird. It shouldn't be an issue already.
Could be a number of things, all the debris, but I'll take this panel off. We can take a closer look at it. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
Sounds simple enough. Like I said, you want me to turn it on?
Sure. I mean, yeah, might as well.
You don't have to, yeah. I have it, it's kind of funny, it runs, when it runs, it'll finally quiet down, finally quit.
Yeah.
And it runs for a little bit with no noise.
Yeah, eventually it's just either not going to turn on, which means you won't have heat, or it'll just keep doing this.
Oh.
But it's basically on its way out.
Okay. It's 5 years old.
Hey, I hear you. I hear you. I can't believe it's going out like that either, but here we are. And it's going out, so let's just go take care of it and get on with our day.
What do you want to say?
Cost to replace draft inducer motor. It will be under warranty. Did they?
They normally have on hand.
No, I don't. We don't.
I mean, your distributor will have on hand.
Most likely, yeah. It shouldn't. I think they had told me you already called, or did you already call?
I called Goodman.
And they said it's under warranty, right?
Yeah, it's under warranty.
Yeah. So I'll give them a call. Did they give you a part number? Oh, sweet.
See what I did on the little envelope I just taped?
Oh, right here?
Yeah, there's a little card on it that has the model number and the
Perfect.
phone number and model number and serial number.
Model number, project date.
That's when it's just installed, August.
Gotcha. They give you a number for the
I didn't know what it was. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I'll call them.
I just basically called and said it's making a funny noise.
Gotcha.
Come out. along the lines of my handyman told me.
Sounds like he was pretty close. But yeah, right now what you're hearing is just the fan. So that's the blower. That's down here.
Okay.
So you see how that's not. But every time we kick,
it's quiet.
Yeah, every time we you do a call for heat, this is the first component to kick on.
That's what I hear first.
Yep. And then once, so it's like it creates like a suction or a vacuum a little bit, and it's going to close your pressure switch. So it's like a series before you actually have heat. And then once that goes, it says, okay, we have a good seal. Let's release the gas. And then you have your flame rod that verifies that there's a flame. But let me go ahead and get Goodman on the phone so we can get this ordered.
That's their number, by the way. That's the warranty number.
Right here? Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. I just had to get that on video.
Oh yeah, what is the the noise?
Yeah, just so we can
Confirm
actually
that's
yeah,
what's going
kind of prove it, not just say, hey, we just need the part and have nothing to show for it.
So the part that's actually coming in is this thing that's spinning kind of right now, slowing down?
Yep, this is it right here.
It's coming out, basically.
Yeah, you take these, yeah.
It's kind of a major factor in it, isn't it?
Everything is pretty much major when it comes to these. I see a lot of, debris here, and that could have got caught up in here, because you see how it's all exposed?
Oh, see what happened? Did you see the work they did up here?
And it moved all this?
No, this.
Oh, they redid the ceiling.
Yeah, they did drywall here.
Oh.
Is that what may have caused it?
It's hard to say, but I can definitely say it probably contributed.
East Coast Metal, this Caleb. What's that serial?
It's 1904137666.
You said the inducer motor?
Yes.
Alright, we got one.
Awesome.
We do.
Awesome. I'll be there to pick it up, okay? And that's why I like Goodman, because he always got parts. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. Let me see something real quick. Okay. Do I need to give him the old one? East Coast? Gotcha. Alrighty. Sounds good. That's all I needed. Alright, thank you. Bye. Yeah, you have nothing to worry about in terms of that. You just gotta pay for the labor. Yeah.
I'm not going to need it much more, but it's funny. It did start. I didn't have to turn the heat on much, and it didn't seem like it made any noise until this thing, for some reason.
When did you have the sheetrock and everything?
Oh, recently. Last month.
I feel like with everything new, it's just the dust and debris that gets caught up in these things and just eats it up.
Oh, okay. So it probably was this.
You can't say prove it, but yeah, it's a common thing I'm seeing. So
when it rains, it pours. Like I said, I had $9,000 worth of plumbing done this winter.
Oh, jeez.
But
yeah, it's $525.
Yeah, well, see, I don't know. Like I have a home warranty service starting in a month. even and you think, well, geez, it seems like I could make at least $100 an hour, right? I mean.
No, I don't get paid that much. It covers pretty much the insurance, me, of course, and everything else, gas, all that good stuff. Of course, driving out there and stuff like that. But I think I can leave you with a company card.
Do that.
Because if you want to speak,
I can use it. Like I can use your service again. But what I was told was, like, I would just contact American Home Services, say, hey,